Hi there, Chris here. I have this very cool Keyways cylinder, and it's a dimple lock. And this was sent to me by Daz Evers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm gonna try and pick it. So I'm gonna turn it upside down for starters. Then I'm gonna use this tension wrench, I think. Maybe like this. No, I don't like that sliding off. That might stay there. Okay, and find a dimple pick. Here's a dimple pick. So I can't really pick it from there. I could pick it from here. Oops, don't flip out. Don't get stuck. And I have picked it before, but I can't remember what dimple pick I used. This one seems to be okay, but I may try, oh, don't spin it around. I may try another one. Not sure I got the first one set correctly. That was a good click. There we go. And we got it. I'm afraid to gut this. So I don't think I'm gonna. Sorry about that. But that is the Keyways. Keyways, and there's the bitting on the key. I didn't show that before. I don't think it's too tough, but it kind of matches my skill. There's no pin and pins in here or anything. I don't think there's anything special in there. So, and it's a 5-pinner is all. So, thank you so much, Dawes, for sending me that. Anyway, good. Another dimple lock under my belt. I have a special lock coming. Oh, I don't know when, but next couple of weeks, say. And it has a dimple core, so along with my lever locks, I've been working a little bit on dimple picking, so maybe I would have a chance of picking this special lock when it comes. Anyway, if you like what you see, hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you don't like it, hit the like down. I do have a hater who often is the first person to watch my videos, and I really like that. I like that dedication. Anyway, yeah, we're getting close to 500 subscribers, and Suki's got a great giveaway planned. We're still working on what you have to do to qualify, but it'll be fun, and it won't be singing. All right, we will see you next time.